Today we're going to talk about why you should consider looking into Arch Linux. So you probably have come across the term, I use Arch by the way, and ask yourself, what even is Arch and should I use it? I give you 5 reasons why I might even like it better than your current OS. The first reason, Arch Linux is centered around a do-it-yourself philosophy. For anything you want to customize, there's almost always a configuration file you can edit. This approach makes Arch extremely lightweight as it comes with almost no software pre-installed. If you enjoy tinkering with your operating system and want more than just the bare minimum configuration, Arch could be worth exploring. The second reason is that Arch Linux is a rolling release distribution. This means new kernel and application versions are made available to you as soon as they are released. Arch users often receive the newest software versions through the repositories before users of other distributions. The third reason is the Arch User Repository, short AUR. Arch Linux has plenty of software in its repository. The AUR extends the software offering of Arch Linux. You get a huge number of software with AUR. AUR is a community-driven approach to providing newer applications. You can search and install applications via the help of an AUR helper like Paru. The fourth reason is that Arch is a community-supported and community-owned project. While most major distributions are backed by corporations, Debian and Arch Linux stand out as rare community-driven projects. You might not mind corporate involvement, but for some people, using a community-based OS is important. The fifth reason is the sense of accomplishment you get when you finish setting something up. Since you have to configure everything yourself, you can feel proud of your work and enjoy a sense of satisfaction afterward. For beginners, installing Linux Mint is an accomplishment on its own, so imagine the pride you'll feel when you set up an entire OS from scratch. As a beginner, you might want to avoid using Arch Linux because it requires a basic to moderate understanding of how Linux works. You'll likely spend a significant amount of time troubleshooting and editing various configuration files. Therefore, if you're new to Linux, it's better to stick with a more beginner-friendly distribution like Mint. Even if you're already familiar with Linux, Arch will challenge you in new ways. Its complexity forces you to learn about aspects of Linux that you might have previously taken for granted. Arch Linux also requires you to enjoy reading documentation or watching video tutorials. If you start feeling overwhelmed, the well-managed and extensive Arch Wiki is an excellent resource that will teach you a lot about Linux. If this video has inspired you to try Arch Linux, consider installing it on a virtual machine to give it a test run. If you're not sure how to install it, don't worry, there will be a tutorial available to guide you through the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.